Hi there. Hey, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And celery juice is all the buzz. Everybody's drinking celery juice and it's making them feel energized and terrific. But maybe you don't want to go out and buy a juicer. Or like me, I have a juicer. I just don't want to clean it. So today I'm going to show you a really easy way to make celery juice quick and easy at home, and I'm going to show you a way to not make it as well to get you healthy and well. Okay, are you ready? All we do is take a whole stalk of celery. You can see I've put some of it in here already. So you wash it and then you just chop it in big, large pieces. Simple. Throw it in your blender. You can use a high-speed blender for that. This is preferable. You know, a Blendtec, a Vitamix, something like that. But if you don't have one, don't worry. You can use a regular blender. You just need to blend it a lot longer. Throw in some water. This is about a cup of water. Pop it on your blender, and we're going to blend it up. Just make sure your top is totally in place, and let's blend it up. That quick, that easy. Yep, it's celery juice. So then all I do is I take a strainer. I have my trusty strainer and a bowl here. I put a paper towel in it. You can use cheesecloth, but a paper towel is really simple and easy. And oh, by the way, the reason why I said make sure the top's on tight, I have had mishaps. So you don't want that to happen. You don't want green drink all over your kitchen. So you pour the green drink or the celery juice into your bowl, and then you just let it strain. And while this strains, it doesn't take very long, but I just want to talk to you about what celery juice will do for you, because it is so good. And I'm going to actually read this because I don't want to miss anything, because you need to know this stuff. So celery juice is an anti-inflammatory. We all talk about inflammation being horrible for disease and the cause of disease. So totally anti-inflammatory, and inflammation creates aches and pains in your body. So when you start drinking celery juice, you reduce your inflammation and you're going to feel so much better. The celery juice, it makes you alkaline. Our bodies need to be alkaline, because if we're not alkaline and we're acidic, well, what happens is your inflammation rolls up, you get disease. Disease can't live in an alkaline body, not so well. And excess weight can't live in an alkaline body. So with celery juice, you can get all of that out of your system. It purifies your blood. It's a digestive aid. So if you have trouble with your digestion, this will make your digestion smooth as silk. It relaxes your nerves. So if you're one of those people that worry, nervous, anxiety, it just makes you feel better. It brings you back to balance. For those of you with any high blood pressure or blood pressure problems, it balances your blood pressure, heals your adrenals, which can give you low blood pressure. It clears up your skin. I have a client who had acne and eczema for 20 years, and the celery juice, 3 months drinking celery juice every single day, her skin totally and completely cleared up. Helps you get your body to its perfect weight. I know I already said that, didn't I? But it's really important. It's a diuretic, so if you're bloated, you have edema, swelling, gets rid of that. And it detoxifies your whole body, especially your beautiful liver. Gets everything out of it, so your energy levels soar. You're gonna love celery juice. And now this is drained. Let me show this to you. We've got incredible celery juice. You just pour this in a bowl and you drink it up. But maybe you don't want to make celery juice every day. Now the natural health food stores have celery juice. This one is called Evolution Fresh, and it's organic celery juice with a little lemon. You can drink this as well. You want to drink it on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. But if that doesn't work for you, just get your greens in. In my programs, I recommend 7 to 10 cups of greens a day. Yep, you heard me right. 7 to 10 cups of vegetables, greens every single day. Our beautiful bodies need the vitamins, the minerals to thrive. And this helps with that. This is like 3 cups in one bottle. Done. Boom, presto, you've got it down. If you don't like the way celery juice tastes, that's an easy fix. Add lemon, lime. Just drink your celery juice and enjoy. And if you like this, check out my programs on my website for more. This is Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. Thank you.